In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your Instagram profile bio. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so go ahead and open up your Instagram app as you normally would. Now from here, you want to click onto your profile, bottom right hand corner of the page here. And then you want to click onto edit profile. As you can see, I've currently got no links here in my bio. So edit profile. And then under edit profile, look for add link section. So go ahead and click on add link, and you can add a Facebook profile if you like, or you can add an external link. So click on add external link, put in the URL here, and then give it a title. Once you've done that, click on the tick button. So I'll show you what this looks like. All right, I've just used my YouTube name. I made a bit of a typo here. So there we go here. So I'm going to click on the tick button. Now that's going to add the link to my bio, as you can see here. Now if I go back again, there you go, I've added that link to my bio.